Method 1. Prying a window open. 1. Examine the window. Look at both sides of the window, interior and exterior. Make sure it is a window that is meant to be opened. Some new office and home windows are not meant to be opened. If there are no hinges or the window is a single pane with nowhere to slide, it likely does not open. Make sure that the window is not nailed or screwed shut for security or energy conservation reasons. Check for any staples around the interior of the window, where plastic sheeting may have been fastened. Carefully remove them with needle nose pliers. Make sure any locks are disengaged. Look to see if the window frame has been recently painted. Decide which direction the window is supposed to open: up, outward, or sideways. 2. Loosen any paint that is sealing the window shut. Removing dried paint that collected between the window and frame will free the window and allow it to be opened. Use a razor knife to cut along the edge of the window and the frame. Cut across all 4 sides of the window. You may need to check the exterior of the window in addition to the inside to make sure that it isn't painted shut on both sides. 3. Insert a putty knife between the window and the frame. Wriggle the knife back and forth to loosen any dried paint between the window and the frame. Go around the entire edge of the window to loosen all sides. 4. Hammer the edge of the window to break the seal created by paint. Use a wood block to cushion the blows from the hammer and prevent making dents in the wood of the window. Be careful to hit gently so as not to break the window. Hammer the wood portion of the window and not the glass. 5. Push on the window with your hands. Try to loosen the window one side at a time. Then try to push the window down as if you were closing it. If it moves, make sure the window is straight in its frame and slowly attempt to open it. Push each corner to see if there is any movement. Press on the window gently to open it a little at a time. 6. Force the window up with a pry bar. Place a small block of wood on the window frame to give your pry bar more leverage. Gently force the window up with the pry bar. Reposition the pry bar along the bottom edge of the window to lift both sides of the window. Using a pry bar may damage the wood of the window or window frame. Use this method very carefully as a last resort. Method 2. Lubricating a stuck window. 1. Rub the end of a candle along the channel where the window opens. Spread wax from the bottom of a candle into the window channel. The wax will help allow the window to slide up and down and prevent future sticking. 2. Remove moisture from the window frame. Wood may swell due to humidity, causing windows to become stuck. Drying out the wood may help the window open more easily. Run a hair dryer along the edges of the window frame for several minutes. After drying the wood, try opening the window. Place a dehumidifier in a room with stuck windows. Lowering the humidity in the room should help reduce the swelling of the window frames. 3. Use a wood block and hammer to widen the window channel. If the window is in a wooden frame, place a wood block along the channel where the window opens and hammer it gently to depress the wood. Make the channel wider to allow the window to move more freely. 4. Spray a lubricant such as WD-40 along the edge of the window. Be careful when using spray lubricants as they may discolor some surfaces or damage some types of paint. If the window opens outward on hinges, spray the hinges with the lubricant for smoother operation. 5. Open the window repeatedly. After you get the window to open one time, open and close it several times to loosen the action of the window. If it still sticks, check the frame to ensure that it isn't warped or damaged from water. Feel for areas where the window meets some resistance and use a utility knife or sandpaper smooth it out. Window frames with severe water damage may need to be replaced entirely.